In this video, I will show you how to send link in Monopoly Go. Decide on the platform you want to use. Play Monopoly with your friend. This could be an online website, a mobile app, or a specific gaming platform. Some popular options include Tablet Simulator, Pogo, or the official Monopoly app. Now set up the game, create a new game session on your chosen platform, and configure the game settings such as number of players, game mode, and rules. Look for an option within the game platform that allow you to invite others to join your game. The feature is typically called invite friends, share game, or something similar. Now, once you have click on the share button, share link with your friends via messaging app, email, or any other preferred method of communication. Paste the link into your message and provide instruction on how to join the game. Your friend should click on the link you shared to access the Monopoly game. They may need to sign up if they don't have one already. Once they have joined, you all start playing together.